Here we have a brand new, beautiful Brandoni accordion. It has a low, middle, high reed configuration on the right hand with a slight musette tuning to it. It is got a full 41 keys on the right hand side. Great reaction, great sound. Here we have the bassoon reed. The Brandonian. The organ. The harmonium. The accordion. The master, which is also available on the side with the master palm switch. The musette. The violin switch. Clarinet. The oboe. And a piccolo. Over here on the left-hand side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 registers. As you can tell, it's a beautiful instrument with the bellows and the grill work all being done extremely well.